Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about, is there a third party situation in your love life or in your marriage life? Okay, and there are three piles over here. You have to choose from these three piles, and which pile you are attracted most, choose that one. I'm going towards the reading number one. Okay, those who choose the pile number one with this colored ball keychain, your first card is 10 of fire. Yes, definitely there is a third party situation in your love life, but this is going to be end. I think this is going to be end, and too much work, accept help from others, life is out of balance, stress related health concerns. Yes, definitely there is a third party situation in your love life, but I think that your person is going to leave that person. No, that person and that person is very very stubborn over here to have that person or to have you. I want to clarify. Okay, I think that your person is quite happy with you. But also there is not stability in this relationship, and also this card is clarified by that person holding the third party, because there is no justice in that your person's mind, and they think that it is good if they have both of you, because in the Islamic rules, according to Islamic rules, a man can marry 4 women. Okay, and because they are lucky, or they think that that person is lucky for them, but they are still 10 of water. They are still taking you with them, because maybe I think that they have children with you, but their mind is not with you. They are with you, but their mind is not with you. They think that the other person is lucky for them, or if they are lucky, they're going to have that person. They are in love with them, that person. There is no stability in this marriage. They are living with you, they are not leaving you, but they are not with I think that their mind is not with you, and with this card, they I think in future they want to leave you. I want to clarify this card. No, definitely they want to leave you, and they are going forward towards some other direction, and they are doing a hard work over here to do it, to leave you. They are struggling because of this situation. They are planning, they are thinking what they have to do, what is good for them or what is good for you, and what should they have to do, but there is no justice in this situation, so they are moving towards that other person. And the Knight of Water, someone else is entering in your love life, and they are attracted towards that person. That person is coming towards your person's life, and your person is giving their heart, their love, their family, their life to that person that is entering in your life. Okay, they are going to fall in love with that person, and going to and giving them proposal of wedding. They look at here, they are giving the proposal of wedding to them. The need to balance emotions and invitation to a social event. Okay, yes, I can see that there is a third party situation over here, and your person is moving towards their loved person, and but they are also not leaving you. I think that they are not leaving you, and they are going to have the relationship with both of you. I am going to take some more cards for you. Okay, that person don't want you, they are not coming towards you, they are moving forward, but you need the help from your friends, your family, someone, and recognition for very high quality work. We are team player. Yes, you need the help from your family, from their family, your in-laws, and but they are not coming towards you. Back of that person is not in love with you, or maybe someone had done black magic to you. This is a voodoo in blue card, and to separate both of you. And this is the three fates of what comes around, and this will happen. Rather you stop them now, or 10 years, or after 10 years, or after 20 years, they will move toward that person. Not at this time, but they will move some other time. They will surely move toward that person. They love them, they have all desire, all dreams about that person, so they definitely move toward that person. If you are you win to stop them at this time, then at some other time they will move forward, because there is no passion in between you, both of you. There is no passion. They don't like you, or this is their arranged marriage, something like that. Both person, that person is cheating you. Maybe that person have this person in their life already, and they are meeting that person, going to their home, and spending time with each other, anything. Okay, at this moment they are not meeting that person, they are not going to their home. For some of you, for some of you, they are already they are meeting that person. Okay, and they are not going to leave you, or they are not going to divorce you, but your wish is not fulfilling over here, that they are not going to stop themselves. They are not they definitely marry that person. Definitely they will marry that person. That's the reading for you, my pile number 1. I hope you please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then you have to subscribe my channel. Then you have to watch my, you can watch my other videos. You will surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going to use the pile number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this skin color flower, your person yes, you also have third party situation in your life, but at this moment, okay, but they are at this moment they are not moving towards that person. They like that person, or maybe they are meeting them, but they are not going to marry to that person, because they know that they have the responsibility towards you. They maybe you both have kids with each other, and they want to take care of you. They want to give you their money and their own self also. They are not moving to that person. Okay, they are not I want to clarify that the hermit, okay, your person is not alone at this moment, or you are not alone in this moment, but you are not also happy, and you want more from universe. You want to have more from universe. Maybe this is from your person, and if this is from you, then you want your person in your hands, not with someone else, and you are blocking them, that you don't want them to go towards someone else. Or maybe that person is manifesting that other person with this card. I want to clarify this. Okay, with this 4 of Cups, you are missing your person, and you don't want them to win. That's why you are holding them with you, and their dreams and desires are not coming true at this moment, because they also not defending their own self. What is this? No, definitely they are not defending their self. they are not moving towards that person. I already tell you that they are at this moment they are not moving towards that person. They are not stubborn, they are not seeing the situation at the other perspective or the other from other angle. They are at this moment they are thinking rightly, and that's why your sleepless nights is not anymore a sleepless nights. You are having, you are not stressless, you are burdenless at this moment. And king of water, but your person, they think that you have blocked them from that person, and that's they are not in love with you, or they are not in love with you from start, from beginning, so that they want to go towards someone else, but they think that they have some responsibility towards you, then that's why they are not moving towards that person. And you are king and queen. You both now in this moment you both don't like each other, don't love each other. You are just taking this relationship for your in-laws, your parents, your family, your children. You both have no love for each other, and also no strength to say then go and leave me, I'm happy without you. You both have no strength for that. But that person is a brave person, and they take this burden on their shoulder, and they want to take care of you and your children, but still they have no love for you. Over here, soulmate, they don't think that you are their soulmates. They don't have any codependency or addiction towards you, from you, and they don't want to know you anymore. They are not happy with you, but they are taking this relationship. Okay. And with this mildew fairy, clean up time, clean what is not good for you. If you think that this person to living with this person is not good for you, then leave it. If you have no love, no happiness, no playfulness towards each other, then leave them. Don't live like this. No, don't talking to each other, not talking to each other, not seeing towards each other's face, turning away your face from them. Don't live like that. Fairy of the green bird, the natural bird needs you. Okay. Do a lot of charity work for your good time, and help poor, help those who need your help, and also take care of plants and animals also. Whale. Oh. Okay, with this card, universe is telling you, listen to your inner voice, nurture yourself, go get it. If you want something, go and get it. Okay. Emotion, control your emotions, inner truth, be a truthful person, wisdom holder. Okay. Do everything with wisdom. Okay, this whale is the keeper of history, and emotionally rebirth. Peaceful strength, you need peaceful strength. Superstitions, communications, communicating to outwards. Family oriented, bridge between any relationship, speaking our truth. Vulnerability, power, messenger of good and bad fortune. This is a message for you, messenger for you, good and bad fortune. The good is that this person is not leaving you, and the bad is that they are not in love with you anymore. They don't want you in their life. Okay. Sign of good luck, seeing in disease is bad omen. Emotional rebirth, physical and emotional pressures, let it go and forgive. Express what you want to express to that person. Solitary creature, awareness of spiritual realm, dreams. In dreams, they are showing to help us. Dreaming of whale means stand up for your rights. Inner voice, cut back to restlessness. Yes, you are definitely standing up for your right, I can see it over here somewhere. Yes, there. You are standing up for your rights, and you are not letting that person harm you or betray you. Okay, this is the reading for you. My pile number 2. Please like, share, subscribe this reading. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go you can watch my other videos, and you surely can get some help from there. With lots of love, wishes. Bye. I'm going to as a pile number 3. Okay, for those who choose the pile number 3, your first card is Queen of Water. Okay, so guys, I think that there is no third party situation in your love life. Your person love you, they care about you, they want to hold you, they want to make you happy. They are a tender hearted, empathic, patient, loving person. Relationships develops to a new level. Trust your intuition, care for yourself and others. They are not in some other relationship or in third party situation. Yes, definitely they don't want their past, they don't like their past. Maybe something had happened in their past and they don't like it. And 4 of year, I want to clarify that person is restless because due to your love, because of your love, they want to make you happy. They want to give you all peace, all love, care. And Page of Wands. Maybe that person having a doubt on you, or maybe you are having a doubt on you, and doubt on that person. I want to. Okay, you are blocking your person. Okay, you are showing your what can I say? Sometimes you don't talk to them. You are showing your anger to them, so that they can't move forward towards someone else, or you restrict them, and you don't want to break this love life with them. And that's why at some time they don't like you, but they have. Okay, maybe this is the situation that they have no third party situation, but they restricted you, and they don't let you to harm themselves or their home. That's why you don't like them. You think that they have some other person in their life, but that is not true. They have no ego inside them. They want the happy home life, happy love life with you, and you are both are having happy home life with each other, and you are balancing. You both are balancing your relationship over here. As much as you do for them, they also do as much for you. Okay, and deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Okay, I want to clarify. Okay, there's a person, maybe you or them, they don't love you, they don't like you. um, 9 of Cups, and their wishes are not coming true, but they also not leaving you. They are not telling you that they are in love with you. They are showing you that they are really in love with you. They are only for you, but they don't like you. And with that case, they also don't have any third party, no girl, no man with them. Okay, angel of time working too hard. They are not working hard to love you, to show you their love. Open, you both have to open to each other, talk to each other, tell them that you love them, you care about them, give them some gifts, and make them happy. Okay, and every now and then tell them that you love them. Okay, that will heal your this situation, your love situation. Okay, this is all I got for you for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then you have to watch my videos. you can watch my videos with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will meet each other again.